Alright, so today we're going to be installing this skid plate. It's a full skid plate, and I matched it up underneath. This pop rivet has to be drilled out, and this pop rivet has to be drilled out. The rest of them already have pre-drilled holes. Just do pop rivets in those, and then pop rivets up in the belly. We gotta get these two. We gotta get those two drilled out. And that one is right there. The other one's gonna be a little tougher.
Alright, so I have to drill this rivet out way down inside, and I don't want to take the muffler off. So I'm going to reach in there with a pair of long needle nose pliers and hold it while I drill it. And there it is. Oh, you guys, isn't that something? Alright, so I got that drilled out, and this thing took off on me. There it is. It's better than pulling the muffler off. And we had to drill that one out. Right there.
So the bottom of the belly pan come pre-marked with these little dots. So I'm going to mount the first two, get them mounted, and then I'm going to put the rest in. I'm going to drill a smaller hole first, pilot hole. Alright, now 3/16. And then on the back side, I'm going to place the washer like that.
Alright, way inside there. That's where the pop rivet goes. I think I'm gonna try the magnet trick. There it is. See in there, you got the dimple that Skidoo has kindly furnished. So I'll finish drilling those two out and we'll send her.
Oh,